This is much better today than it was yesterday. This is Tom Reed here reporting down here in Crawfordville, Georgia. Chosen one. That's the manager of the Smiley's gas station. Does a great job, by the way. But, you know, fuel has been such a problem. You can't get any in Atlanta. I mean, not Atlanta, Augusta. Thompson shut down, so you'll see tons of cars run out of fuel on the side of the road because they never thought it'd be this far before they got to another station. And you'll even see here, and this is way better than it was yesterday, people running out of fuel in line because you just don't expect to go 100 miles without being able to get fuel someplace. You know?
All right, thank you.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How you doing?
Good. I'm documenting this historical event. I'm documenting this historical event.
Yeah, it is a big historical event. I agree.
What do you think about it?
I just think it's bad, man. I mean, you know, we in a little small town like this here, you know, we ain't used to stuff like this here, you know. So,
I didn't think we were going to get all this wind, did you?
No, I don't think nobody did.
Yeah,
I don't think the people that do the weather think that they're going to get this kind of, you know. Yeah. They know it's going to be kind of bad, but they didn't know it's going to be this bad.
Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, you summed it up, man. You sure did.
All right, man. I'm going to go ahead and get me a cup of coffee.
That's what I got right here.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm going to try to get. I ain't had one this morning.
What's your name?
Raymond.
Raymond, should I say hello?
Yeah, hey. My name Raymond.
All right, hey, Raymond, and just a quick snippet. You don't think there was any incompetence? It's just hard to predict the weather, right?
That's right. Just hard to predict the weather.
Okay.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you know.
I mean, Georgia Power didn't see this coming, did they?
No. Nobody did.
Yeah. And you don't have power, do you?
They have what now?
You don't have any power, do you?
Oh no. No power, no cell phone service, no internet, no nothing.
Yeah. Now are you a betting man at all? Do you bet? You play lottery?
Every now and then.
Right,
I'm not a regular
when's the power coming back on?
I said they'll have most of it back on by the end of the week.
Okay.
By the end of the week. Most of it, not all of it. Yeah,
you really think it's going to take that long?
Oh yeah. With the stuff I seen and the work I do, I work railroading, I work with the power company, this and that. That's tedious work, and them guys, they good at what they do, but with the stuff they got towed down, it's gonna take a minute.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You work for the railroad?
Oh yeah.
Ride the train?
No, I'm an inspector. I go around and work with the power company, different companies and stuff that need to do stuff around the railroad track.
Oh, all right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
This guy's a new sheriff deputy started here, Augusta. Really nice guy. I was talking to him the other day. Actually, I was talking to him Thursday morning? Friday morning, I guess. While we waited for a tree to be cut down. As you can see here, they bring in the cars this way. And then they make sure they don't cut in line. It's crazy. People get crazy acting when they can't get someplace. They're hungry. Sleep's disrupted. No fuel. Start doing crazy stuff. I get a bar here and there on my cell phone. The internet is pretty out. So much for charging your Tesla. There's the smiles today with the electric cars. One of the power stations is working. Bet you wish you had gas now, don't you? Just gonna sit here. got to do gas fueling in an organized way. Is that working? Did it work?